Okay, so the Eddy current pendulum demo. What this will show the students is the dampening effect that a magnet has on a moving piece of metal. This disc detaches by unscrewing the screw on the end of this pole, and you can remove the disc and attach another piece of metal to show how this effect acts on different properties of metal. So in order to do this demo, first just show the students how this demo acts, or how this pendulum acts rather, when there is no magnetic field going. And then when you're done, turn on your power, and you might want to let the pendulum go for a little bit. Then there's a little switch, and when you close the switch, it'll close the circuit, and it will produce an electromagnet. And this electromagnet will demonstrate the dampening power. And as you can see, when you release the pendulum from basically any height, the copper will just stop. You can show this with different discs. You can show that the dampening power is a little bit less, but nevertheless, it is there. So that's with the magnet on. Turn off the magnet, and you can see that it just goes on and on and on. When you're all set, just make sure that your switch is open and you turn off your DC power supply.